Gabriel Agreste is her husband and Adrien is her son. She unexpectedly disappeared and left behind her husband and her son. We know that she is kind-hearted and loving based on Adrien. We also have heard Gabriel Agreste say she is stubborn and headstrong. She has green eyes, blonde hair, and in one of the images on Adrien's computer wallpaper, she is 17 years old. This picture is actually a real-life photo of Tara Strong. Tara Strong is a voice actress that has done work for My Little Pony, The Very Odd Parents, and other animated series. I have a feeling she's the voice for Mrs Agreste. She is seen throughout the Agreste mansion. These sightings give us clues about her whereabouts. Her picture is seen in a frame on a shelf. There is a Tibet brochure right next to her. Tibet is a region next to China, and it is the highest region on Earth. The highest mountain is there, Mount Everest. They have yaks there, so awesome, and it's Tibet's animal. We also see a peacock next to the picture. Peacocks are beautiful creatures. They symbolize protection, guidance, kindness, and watchfulness. The tail of the peacock is known as the eyes of the stars. This peacock image has everyone excited because when Master Fu opens up his case full of miraculouses, there is a peacock miraculous that is missing. It is missing for a reason. There is a huge portrait of Mrs. Agreste in Gabriel's room. Behind this portrait is Gabriel's treasures, and one of them being the miraculous book, which Master Fu has now. If we take a closer look at the painting, there are eyes all over it. Do you remember what we said about peacocks? They are the eyes of the stars. Pretty interesting. There is a similar picture out there called The Woman in Gold, and it also has eyes all over it. I find it interesting that it's also symbolic to peacocks. Gives us another reason why Mrs. Agreste is the peacock miraculous. She is seen in Hawkmoth's brooch, and he uses it for evil purposes, specifically creating supervillians, and wants to steal Ladybug and Cat Noir's miraculouses. But why is she in his moth miraculous? Did he steal it from her? The brooch does form into a purple button with 4 light pink strands coming out of it, which resembles a butterfly. This happens when the kwami Nuru inhibits it. In the French version, miraculous is called Le Brochet du Papillon, which is butterfly brooch. If it's used for good, it can create superheroes instead. Could Mrs. Agreste be that very miraculous instead of a peacock?